This 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak SE 28 SBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, awning, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, spare tire kit, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak SE 28 SBH is 5,457 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.